Hi, everybody. We've just completed the installation to our fire alarm upgrade system in our condos in the last couple of years. And we have Mike from Fire Alarm Systems who's going to do a little bit of explanation for us. So Mike, can you tell us what this is on the wall here and what our unit owners need to do?
This is the pull station that's on every single floor on both exits that by your stairwell. In case of a fire in your unit, on your way out of the building, you have to pull this to make sure it sets off the entire building to alert the rest of the residents that are in your building. That's what that does.
So Mike, the alarm that's in my condo unit, the device, what does that do and when does that go on?
The device that's in your actual unit is a horn. What that does is if somebody activates the fire alarm, it'll set off in your unit to allow you to know that there's some kind of problem and to get out of your unit.
Okay, so I would have another question. I need to do some painting in my ceiling. Can I take that device down in order to paint around it?
Unfortunately, ma'am, no, you're not allowed to touch that device. If be the case where you're going to be doing painting or rearranging of your unit, you have to either call us to come out there and remove it, and then call us back to install it again, or you have to paint or do whatever work you're going to do around it. You're not allowed to touch my fire alarm device. It's a life safety device, and it's punishable for a $250 fine or 2 years in prison if you touch it.
Wow, so we need to be letting all of our unit owners know that they cannot mess with this device then.
Yes, ma'am. And also, if we were to come out here because somebody took it down and didn't tell us, we would charge the building to come back and fix it.
I see. Is there anything else we should be aware of with this new system that's been put in all of our buildings?
Basically, just if God forbid there is an issue or there is a fire, just make sure you pull this before you leave your building. That way you can help your other fellow tenants know that there's a problem.
So is it maybe a good idea if people are not mobile in their units that they should be letting the association know in case of a fire, in case they can't get out?
What I would do is by the fire alarm panel that's outside on the wall, I would place a placard or some kind of list with unit names and owner unit numbers. That way if there is a problem, the fire department knows that this person is handicapped in a wheelchair, this person cannot see, this person cannot hear. That way they're aware so they know to go straight to that unit because that's priority.
And in case of a fire alarm that goes off, the elevators are immediately shut down?
If the actual fire is in the elevator lobby, but I do not recommend you use the elevators just in case the fire does make it to the elevator lobby, it will shut the elevators down, yes.
Well, I think that is very informative. Thank you very much, Mike, for taking the time to come out and talk to us about this.
You're welcome, Joyce. Have a good day.